The question is to factor the polynomial. We have a polynomial a to the 6 minus b to the 6, right? Since 6 can be written as 3 times 2, this expression can be written a cubed squared minus b cubed squared, right? So using this formula right here, a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b, a plus b. This is equal to a cubed minus b cubed, a cubed plus b cubed, right? And if we have cube minus cube, cube plus cube, those expressions can be factored using this formula, right? Cube minus cube, that's a minus b times a squared plus a times b, ab plus b squared, times, if we have cube plus cube, that's a plus b times a squared minus a times b, ab plus b squared, right? So our factoring is complete.